Linear relationship in mathematics. A linear relationship is a connection between two variables that creates a straight line when graphed. Let's complete the following tables using the equations provided. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. In a similar way, we can calculate other values to complete the table. Now let's plot these points on a graph. The x-axis shows the x values. The y-axis shows the y values. So the points are 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 11, 6, 13. When we connect them, we get a straight line which shows a linear relationship. Next example. Equation y is equal to 9 minus x. If x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. If x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. If x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. In a similar way, we can calculate other values to complete the table. So the points are 6, 3, 8, 1, 9, 0, 11, negative 2, 12, negative 3, 13, negative 4. Plotting them and drawing a straight line again shows a linear relation. Next example. Number of red squares and number of green squares. From the picture of the red square R and green square G, complete the table, write the equation, draw the graph and confirm whether it shows a linear relationship. Suppose we have a table of red squares R and green squares G. If red squares R is equal to 1, then green squares G is equal to 8. If R is equal to 2, then G is equal to 10. If R is equal to 3, then G is equal to 12. In a similar way, we can find the other values. We notice that the green squares increase by 2 each time, and we need to add a constant of 6 to each value to get the equation. For R is equal to 1, G is equal to 1 times 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. For R is equal to 2, G is equal to 2 times 2 plus 6 is equal to 10. For R is equal to 3, G is equal to 3 times 2 plus 6 is equal to 12. So the equation is G is equal to 2R plus 6. The points are 1, 8, 2, 10, 3, 12, 4, 14, 5, 16, 6, 18. Plotting these points gives another straight line, a linear relationship. Finding missing value from an equation using the linear relation. Equation y is equal to 3x plus 2. What is the value of y if x is equal to 3? If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 times 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. What is the value of x if y is equal to 26? If y is equal to 26, then 26 is equal to 3x plus 2. So 24 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 8. Another one. y is equal to 5 minus 2x. What is the value of y if x is equal to 4? Y is equal to 5 minus 2 times 4. So y is equal to negative 3. What is the value of x if y is equal to 3? If y is equal to 3, then 3 is equal to 5 minus 2x. So negative 2 is equal to negative 2x. So x is equal to 1. Finding missing values from a table with a linear relationship. Here we can see the table, but two y values are missing. We notice that the difference in the x values is 2. The given x values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, each increasing by 2. Now let's look at the y values. The difference between consecutive y values is 6. For example, 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. 26 plus 6 is equal to 32. 32 plus 6 is equal to 38. So the missing values can be filled in using this constant difference of 6. Finding missing values from a table with a linear relationship. The x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We notice that the difference between consecutive y values is 4. For example, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Similarly, 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. Next example. Finding missing value from a graph with a linear relationship. Suppose the equation shows profit versus hours worked. What is the profit for working 5 hours? If x is equal to 5 hours, then profit is equal to $50. This is interpolation. Interpolation is when we estimate values between two given data points on a graph of a linear relation. What is the profit for working 12 hours? If x is equal to 12 hours, then profit is equal to $120. This is extrapolation. Extrapolation is when we extend a graph of a linear relation to estimate values that extend beyond the graph. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more math lessons explained step by step.